welcome to another video of Suni'S trade breakdown. I'm so sorry for the delay, but let's take a look at my positions, my weekly recap from the last week, and also let's make a prediction for this one too. Okay guys, so let's take a look at my positions last week, and it was 14th of April. Okay, so we had an all-time high on the previous market day. It was on Friday 11th. I got stop loss here. I expected a push up, but this wasn't even deep correction for me, so I expected market to go lower. But okay, I got stop loss here, but overall I ended up with a huge profit that week. So this was only position that I took on Friday 11th. On the next week, after impulsive waves, I expected to have a correction wave due to Elliott waves, and I took after this rejection. Here I took on Fibonacci golden packet a short position. This was perfect entry at 8:15 UTC plus 2, but I wasn't in front of the computer, so I took this position about 200 pips to this liquidity. And also after this correction I took another short position about 240 pips. It was all for me for that day, but I expected market to go higher to start new impulsive cycle. Okay, so after that, after midnight, this is closed on that day. After midnight I took short position again at 10 o'clock as a pullback, a second wave of Elliott waves to this fair value gap, this strong demand zone. I expected to sweep this liquidity, maybe to go deeper, but okay, whatever. It was due to strong bullish momentum because of fundament. So I took immediately then on Fibonacci Fibonacci 0.5 correction. Here I took a long position, and I really want to have a profit, have a target on all-time high about this, but to be honest I really don't want to hold my position during the night. So I closed it about 10 p.m., 9 p.m., something like that. Then we had a Wednesday, so it wasn't good entry for a long position for me because I expected overall some valid zone to go long. But after this rejection, I entered due to a Fibonacci extension for third wave due to Elliott waves. I took here a short position, but I expected market to go a little bit deeper. So I ended this position about, I don't know, 0.5% target, something like that. Then I got a stop loss here, so nothing special for me at Wednesday. But we got great positions at Thursday. We opened the market with a huge gap, and after this strong rejection about 400 pips during Asia session, I expected market to go lower for fourth wave and also correction wave in that wave. So I entered at first at Fibonacci golden packet here, also fair value gap. I got 260 pips, 4.3 RR with profit target to this fair value gap from 15 minutes time frame, and also I respect this trend line here. And after breakout we've got pullback on that structure, and I expected market to go lower, so I entered this trade also on Fibonacci golden packet due to Elliott waves, also fair value gap, great zone for me. And I got here on 5-minute time frame, I entered like this because this was really strong and I wasn't in front of the computer, so I entered here with tiny stop loss, and I've got about 330 pips. And this was my perfect zone. I expected market to go here because this was also 0.5 Fibonacci golden packet, and it was perfectly in my view of Elliott waves like this. And I wanted to enter this long position, but I didn't want to be greedy because I took over 500 pips that day. so it was enough for me. But from my point of view and my prediction, I wanted to enter a long position here, and I wanted to target a previous all-time high, which was 680 pips. So okay, my fault that I didn't take the trade because it was super valid. And then we had Monday, and I entered at 13.15. I entered this to this fair value gap with TP 3.4. You can look at it. I entered that position only with 1.5 lots, so it wasn't big position, but it was enough for me for Monday, because I wanted to see deeper like that structure, and this wasn't good price action for me. Okay, and then we had great Tuesday because we had huge rejection, also huge push from fundamental analysis, like from Trump, that he wants to decrease his tariffs and and a lot of signs for bearish momentum for us, for gold, because people want to put more money in stocks and they started again to believe in US dollars. So I expected market to go lower for a correction. So I really wanted to take blind short on 3,500, but I told myself, don't do that. It was great position to this fair value gap from 1 hour time frame. Then this was also 382 Fibonacci retracement. I took a long position here only to 0.5. It was something like this. 0.5 from all-time high. As I said, it was golden packet from this high. I took this position, and also I took this short because of 382 from this, like this, 3.1 RR, but my greatest position was at 1525 because I took this super strong bearish momentum with 380 pips in 20 minutes with 11 RR, because my stop loss was so tiny. I really didn't know where can I put it because moves on market are so aggressive, so I wasn't sure, but it was great for me. We took this liquidity, we break trend lines from every time frame, and my last position that day was Tuesday at 1955. It was also really strong bearish momentum. It was nice short, about 300 pips. So it was super successful day for me yesterday. And guys, I expected, due to everything that's going on, some correction, but overall I think that they broke bullish structure. I don't want to say for a long time now, but for such a short time at least. So I expected market to go lower, something like this, maybe something like that. I want to see better structure for today, so I'm waiting now. This isn't even a wave, because my technical analysis stands on Elliott waves, and this is without correction, so I really want to see something better, something more clean. We will see. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you will have a successful week.